You know, who isn't interested in living a greener life and energy efficiency? Both of these are buzzwords of our times. But you know, I have to say that the more energy efficient we become with the interior of our homes and making sure that we're not losing energy, and the more tightly they're built, the air quality can suffer. For instance, when I built this house, I wanted to make sure that I used products that didn't pollute or contaminate the air. I used insulation that's made from soybean oil, which contains no formaldehyde, which you do not want in your house. You can also use low VOC paints and air purification systems. All of these things can work toward making the environment inside your home as clean as possible. And hey, if you really want to take on indoor air pollution in a natural way, you might consider a study that was done by NASA several years ago about how houseplants, certain kinds of them, can be really great air filtration systems. And hey, they look good in the house. I use them everywhere I can. Some of the best for cleaning the air in your home include pothos, spider plants, corn plants, even elephant ears, Gerber daisies, and peace lilies. And if you're looking for something a little taller, you might try one of these dracaenas, or something basic like a needlepoint English ivy. This one has some variegation to it, which is really beautiful.